A great lunch option, Finnish sausage soup, Makkarakeitto. Potatoes, onion, parsnip, suede, leek, carrots, and of course sausages. Chop everything, also sausages, to small pieces. Water is already boiling, so let's add salt and potatoes and sweets. And sure thing, some allspice and also some bay leaves. While they are boiling, let's fry the onions and leek. And then of course the sausages as well. You can peel the skin of the sausages, but these were quite good also, so it's not mandatory. These will be nice and brown, and that will bring some extra flavor. When potatoes are half ready, let's add all the rest of the vegetables. When all the vegetables are almost ready, let's add the sausages and onions. And a splash of tomato sauce. And very importantly, some parsley. Fresh parsley would be best, but I didn't have, so I used dried one. You can use a stock cube, but I didn't use this time, and it was a good option because this soup is flavorful as such. After checking all the vegetables are cooked, it's time to eat. Syömään, as we say in Finland.